alternate blinking with Arduino using M-Block. So things we need are the Arduino Uno, a tiny breadboard, and we will need some jumper cables. So we are going to use male to male jumper cables. We need two LEDs, and see that they have two different colors. Yeah, so this is the circuit diagram that we have here. So let's start connecting the circuit. When we connect the circuit, just see that the positive is on the right hand side, the positive terminal of the LED. So I'm going to connect both the LEDs with the terminals on the right hand side. Okay, and then we need to connect the grounds together. So I connect the grounds of both the LEDs. So once we are done with it, we know that we are going to program pin number 12 and 13, and when we have seen the diagram, so I'll connect the positives of the LED. Once I'm done connecting the positive of the LEDs, these two wires, the orange and the yellow wire, will go to pin number 12 and pin number 13 of the Arduino. So have a careful look in which line I have connected the positive wires and the negative wires, in case you don't understand breadboard connections that well. So now I'm going to count from pin number 8 to pin number 12 and then go to pin number 13. Okay, so I've connected 12 and 13. Now our connection is still not complete. What is missing is connecting the last wire of the ground from the tiny breadboard to the Arduino. So once we are connected with the ground, our connection will be complete. So you connect the ground and there you go. Now we are all set to connect our Arduino to our computer. Okay, so how do we do that? When we open M-Block, delete the Kodi sprite, add the sprite, Arduino Uno, hit the button OK. And in the first case, we are going to keep pin number 13 as on, and or anything vice versa. So one LED should be on and the other one should be off. So let's keep digital pin 12 as high and 13 as low. So I'm going to duplicate this block. So these are the two cases that I have, and the other case is going to be 12 as low and 13 as high. Now I want to do this in a repeated loop. It should go on and on. So there is a block in control which says forever. So I need this, and I also need a delay. So it should be on for 1 second and off for the other second. So now let's see what, when we place the blocks, it means that we are going to turn this LED once on, then wait for 1 second, then off for the other. So this is alternately going to blink, but we also need another delay which I have added right now. Once we have added the delays, we also need the head block. So the head block which says is Arduino Uno starts up, when Arduino Uno starts up. So head block is a must. Now let's connect board. So when you hit the button connect, say show devices, select the COM port and hit the button connect, and then next is you can see that it is connected, the Arduino. So now it's time to upload the program. Hit the button upload, and once the uploading process is done, you will be able to see the output as soon as possible on the Arduino. Now the LEDs will be blinking alternately, as you will be able to see in the output. It will blink one after the other, and this is how you can even do a police siren with a buzzer, which I will show in the next activity. So that's it. Thanks for watching.